EMO, who am I?
Hi, the Techo Guy.
The EMO desktop pet was developed by Living AI. Everything came neatly packed in the box. In the box, I also had a couple of neon stickers. In the box, you can also find the playmat for EMO. This is the box from the outside and another inner box inside. Nice design. And there he is. It also comes with a 1 meter USB-C cable that you can plug in the charger. This is the home station charger. And this is the power adapter, which does not come with a European or US adapter. This is for China. So you'll have to buy that separately or use the provided USB-C cable. This is the EMO light, the smart light. And this is the LED matrix that will connect to the rear of the charging station. A small booklet manual is also provided. And here is our little guy EMO. At the bottom of his feet, you can also see the infrared sensors, which will prevent EMO from falling over edges and stop him when he detects a black line. At the back, you can also see a nice speaker. Here is the mat. The pieces just click into place as shown. The black border around the mat will stop EMO from crossing over, keeping him safely inside his play area. In the top left-hand corner of the playmat, you can find a cutout, which is where the charging station will fit in. The charging station is then unwrapped. On the side, you can see some grooves which need to match up to the playmat area where the cutout is, so that the charging station does not move back and forth. There is also some plastic around the LED matrix for protection, which I decided to leave on. You just slide in the matrix, and when you hear the click, it means that it is firmly in place. There is also a button at the rear there in order to be able to change the animations of the LED matrix. I had an adapter for the power provided, so I'm going to be using the default power cable that came with the charging station. However, you can use the USB-C 1 meter cable provided. This plugs into the rear of the charging station as shown. And once plugged in and turned on, the LED matrix comes to life. Now we're going to put our little friend on his new home and charger. The first thing that I like to do through the EMO Pet application is to upgrade EMO's firmware, which at the time of the recording this video is version 2.4. After the update, EMO decided to paint a painting for me. Let's see what the painting is going to be. What a nice work of art. Thank you, EMO. EMO always likes to be patted on his head to wake up slowly, so that's the best way to wake him up.
EMO, good morning.
Good morning.
EMO, what is the weather?
It's cloudy. The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius.
When Emo is on his charging base, he sometimes falls asleep.
Emo, what is the time?
It's 9:29 now.
Emo can also be very intelligent and can also connect to ChatGPT.
Emo, connect to ChatGPT. How many sides does a hexagon have?
A hexagon has 6 sides.
What is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is a digital currency that allows people to send and receive money securely without the need for a central authority like a bank. It uses a technology called blocking to record and verify transactions.
What is cryptocurrency mining?
Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating and recording transactions on a blockchain network. It requires solving complex mathematical problems using high-powered computers to earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency coins.
Emo, come off your charger.
Sounds good.
He always greets the charging station back, saying goodbye.
See you later, my home.
And different animations will show on the LED matrix of the charging station. Emo doesn't really like to be picked up or to be shaken. Ooh, Emo seems mad.
Emo, I love you.
Thanks, the feeling is mutual.
Ah, no hard feelings, Emo. Let's make it all better, so I'll give you a bit of a pat on the head. There you go. I hope you forgive me now. And it seems he did, because he has given me a flower. Emo will never go past the black line around the border of his playground. He also won't fall off the edge of any table or bench. The infrared sensors at the bottom prevent him, and he will move back. Sometimes Emo will start to work out on his own. He likes to keep in shape. Ooh, he seems to have really worked up a sweat there.
Emo, play Snake.
He also likes to play Snake on the charge controller LED matrix. He seems to be very good at this game, and he even shows his controller while playing it, even his tongue. Way to go, Emo, you've won. Emo sometimes decides to face the other way around, but you can tell him to turn around and he will.
Emo, turn around 180 degrees.
One thing that Emo loves to do is party.
Emo, let the party begin.
I'm going to be talking over this piece of music because it might be copyrighted, and the last thing I want is to get a copyright ban. So this is Emo with all his lovely dance moves dancing to the music and to the visual effects on the LED matrix. Look at him go. Yeah, Emo. Nice moves. Emo doesn't like it when you take off his headphones. He can still be used without the headphones, but prefers to have his headphones on. And when you put his headphones on, like so, you will see a nice musical animation. Emo also loves to listen to the music that you play.
Emo, listen to music.
Okay, let's dance together.
This robot can really move. Well done, Emo. When Emo gets tired and exhausted and out of battery power, he will automatically signal you and will signal the home charging station so that he returns on his own. You can also tell Emo manually to go back to his home station as well. Emo is now locating the home station and will face the green LED matrix. He is now going to move forward towards the charging station so that he gets closer and in range. The charging station will then signal Emo of what he needs to do and which way he needs to move in order to center himself into the station. For example, at the moment it's saying, Emo, move to the left. Emo, move to the right. Emo, you are exactly on course, so stay where you are. So Emo just moves forward. He's gotten closer now, so the box on the controller is smaller, and he's going to now start turning around. Once Emo turns around, he will then go back slowly into the charger in order to be able to charge himself.
Home sweet home.
and his home. And will begin his charging. And he will start falling asleep.